In this video, we will solve another system of equation using another method. This method will be Cramer's rule. And so let's begin. So we want to solve this system of equation here, and we can do it using Cramer's rule. And so the x value will equal d sub x divided by the determinant, and the y value will equal d sub y divided by the determinant. And in order to use Cramer's rule, the determinant cannot equal 0 because you can't divide by 0. So the first step is to calculate the determinant. So this is our piece, 2, 3, 3, 5, 2, 3, 3, 5. And we calculate the determinant, so 2 times 5 minus 3 times 3. So we would get 10 minus 9, so the determinant is 1. Next we do d sub x. To get d sub x, we swap x with result column and keep the y column. So the x column was 2 and 3, right? So let's swap that with 7 and 11. 7 and 11. And now we do the same thing. 7 times 5 minus 3 times 11. So we would get 35 minus 33, so 2. Now d sub y. So swap y with the result column and you keep the x column. So we would have 2, 3, the x column remains the same, and we swap the y column with 7 and 11. And so we would get 2 times 11 minus 7 times 3. So 22 minus 21, and so we would get 1. So x is equal to d sub x divided by the determinant. So that's going to equal 2 divided by 1. So 2. And so x is equal to 2. Now y. Y is equal to d sub y divided by the determinant. D sub y was 1, so 1 divided by 1 would give us 1. So y is equal to 1. And we can always check. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 3 times 1 is 3. So 4 plus 3 is 7. Next, 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 5 times 1. 5 times 1 is 5. So 6 plus 5 is 11. And so it's a match. And that's pretty much it for this video.